Mention any ancient Igbo identity. What were we known for? Mention any ancient identity of an Igbo culture. What can you see an Igbo man for? I said, no, this is an Igbo man. A particular identity that, you know, it's so visible. Ejirimara Ndi Igbo. What can we say? Okay, wow. Yes. Okay, Ifeoma. She said they were known for doing what? Blacksmiths, and they were known for what again? Making, okay, good. Making bronze, irons, and the rest, okay? They don't wear clothes without beads. Ejirimara Ndi Igbo. I think you were talking about more of what they do. That's their occupation or their trade, okay? But then the question is, mention a particular identity, okay? If you see this young man, how can you tell that this young man is an Igbo man? Ejirimara. So, good. She has just mentioned one, another one. They are known for their hard working and leadership skill. Okay, still part of it, but that's not a major identity. Okay. 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 Confidence. Okay, these are attributes. Cooking. Food. Good. They are respectful. Their character. Their dressing. Their language. Good. Their attire. Okay, good. Njirimara Ndi Igbo. Njirimara Ndi Igbo. Njiri. Okay.
Okay, so the first one will be the difference between the letter N and M, where language that for your letter M is by Libya, your two bits for God. So whenever you hear E, know that it's letter M, not name. So Nri, N-R-I, Nri.
You're not right.
Ekike. What do we mean by omenala? They are beautiful, their culture, their traditions, the things they do. Omenala, O-M-E-N-A-L-A, omenala. Okay. Then the next one is what? Asusu. Asusu. What is Asusu? Language. Beautiful. Asusu is language. W-E. Nkwenye, their belief. So take it, we've listed them. Who can mention it? Toucher, sit. Nodo Allah.
Who was supposed to have? I don't have it.
He's coming. Yeah. Can we have another food from this side? Another Igbo food. Okay. Egusi. I don't want to leave the what you have there. Yeah, I don't want to leave it. So continue. Okay, we've listed all the Njirimara.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Okay. Give the full attire of an Igbo man or a woman. Give for woman. Attire. The full. For a woman, you want? You know for. Please. Waist.
And they tie it around their chest.
Okay, they tie it around their chest. Okay.
No bracelets and beads.
Don't give a clue. Okay, good. Correct. Okay. Who describes best how an Igbo man dresses?
And then the way they are.
We perform in Igbo land. 1. New Yam Festival. Okay. New moon. Okay. I think just one person got the answer. Somebody said New Yam Festival. We also have Masquerade Festival and Ofala Festival. Maybe you didn't watch, you didn't pay attention while that was playing. Take the next question. Excuse me, keep quiet. Mention some notable figures. Mention some notable figures. Like 5 notable figures in Igbo land. No. That was minus. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No. Which other will be? No. You don't refer past. Okay. Listen. Obi. Nnamdi Azikiwe. Correct. Beautiful. Call Neaka. All right. Okay. So the next one is in the documentary. There's a particular gold medalist that was mentioned. Listen, there was this particular gold medalist. She's also part of the notable people we have in Igbo culture on Igbo land. What's her name? She's a gold medalist and she's from Imo State. What's her name? No? No? She's an actress. I said gold medalist. Nobody? Huh? No? Chioma something. Okay, that's half mark. Chioma Ajunwa. Correct. That's good. Correct. Pepper soup is called dash in Igbo language. Yam pepper soup. No chorus answer. I know the answer. Raise up your hand. Yam pepper soup is called dash in Igbo language. Okay, Ify. Open salaji. It's okay. That's good. Yes. Ofeji. Jim Miracle. That's good. That's great. Yes. Jim Miracle. Yes. But it's more of Jim Miracle than Ofe Salaji. That's good. It's peculiar to which states? Ofe Achara is Imo State, correct. Listen up. Imo State, Ofe Achara is peculiar. It's no. They said Imo State. You weren't listening. Just on a sitting, I got all these questions because I was listening. The next one is, what is the color of the coral bead worn by an Igbo man or a woman? What is the color of the coral bead worn by an Igbo man or a woman? Red. Correct. Uye. All right. Mention the 5 eastern states we have in Nigeria. Mention the 5 eastern states we have in Nigeria. Okay. Correct. The different occupation, an Igbo man occupation, what people do, hear lawyer. But then, listen. Rearing of animals are majorly for the northerners, not for the easterners. But they do. Yes. Mm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like a dwarf car. It was very expensive. Before now, when they call somebody Obuefi, when they call somebody Obuefi, it's not that the person killed this Efi Fulani. It is that Igbo Efi. So I want to cook Igbo. We also have Ewu Igbo. We have our native Igbo word.
Goats.
Yeah, very delicious and very smelly. Very delicious, okay? So we do livestock.
We have Aturu as sheep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And then we have our yam band. Have you ever heard of the yam band?
Obaji.
Obaji. The yam is one of the revered food of Ndi.
Mm-hmm.
That is why we have the new yam
Festival.
New yam
Festival.
Iriji.
Mm-hmm.
If you go to those days, if you go to a typical Igbo man's house,
Listen.
one of the ways to know that
Listen up.
an Igbo man is wealthy is that when you come to his house, you will see yam barn. You can be walking on a long road by the right and by the left. What are you seeing?
Yam barn.
Yam. Tied in what? Go. Yes. Go. Yes. Yes. So we were into agriculture. And it is necessary for us to start looking about going back into what?
Agriculture.
Daalụ
nwunye maazi. Ngwa ụmụ akwụkwọ daalụ nụ rinne o. See you some. Okay, you want to say? You have anything to say? No. Tailoring.
So we are going to be but we are going to do again with a intro.
I'm actually tired.
Yes. You would like intro is fun.
All right, so some other time we are going to look at another, what do we call it, documentary, okay? So, thank you all for your time. Sit back for your indoor games, Incho. Please pause. Please pause.
Yeah, you're going to.